Introduction to solving an equation with variables on the same side. I'm going into this video assuming that you know how to combine like terms together. If you feel like you haven't heard about combining like terms, maybe go check out the topic on combining like terms before attempting this one. This topic really isn't bad. If you understand how to combine like terms and you understand how to solve an equation, this is going to be no problem for you whatsoever. So let's look at this. 5x plus 3x equals 16. When we see this 5x plus 3x, we want to combine all those x's together because you want x on one side only and you want it only in one term. So 5x plus 3x means that we have 8x. Oops, let me get my pencil. 8x equals 16. Now, I like to draw a little, I call it a wall underneath my equal sign to show which side is which. It's not very important in this particular scenario, but by habit, I'm going to go ahead and do that for you. 8x equals 16. To get x by itself, I will divide both sides by 8. 16 divided by 8 is 2, so we get x equals 2 as our answer. We can go ahead and check this answer by plugging it into our original equation instead of x. Now, you don't have to always do this, but it's a really good idea to do it if you have time on an exam. I won't do it for the rest of the problems, but I'll do it for the first one to show you how it works. So 5, and then instead of x, we have 2, plus 3 times 2 equals 16. 5 times 2 is 10, 6 times 2 is 6, 10 plus 6 is indeed 16, so we have 16 equals 16, which means our answer is correct. Let's go ahead and do another example. 81 equals 10v minus v. All right, I'm going to go ahead and draw my wall. There's an important thing to know here. This minus v is the same thing as minus 1v. So let me write that as minus 1v instead. When there's a 1 as a coefficient, we just tend not to write it. So all right, we have that minus 1v. Now we can go ahead and finish solving this. So 10v minus 1v, that'll be 9v. To get v by itself, we'll divide both sides by 9. Those 9s cancel. 81 divided by 9 is going to give me 9. So v is equal to 9. 9 equals v is the same as v equals 9. Now, you could have rewritten this as 10v minus v equals 81, so just flippy-flopping the sides. That's totally legal. You would get the same result here. You would get 9v equals 81. You would divide both sides by 9, and you would get v equal to 9. So as long as the two things are equal, you can flip-flop. So if you don't like your variables on your right-hand side, no big deal. Let's go ahead and do one last example. 21 equals 3u plus 4u. So I have 21. That'll stay over here. 3u plus 4u can be combined together to give me 7u. I now want to get u by itself, so I will divide both sides by 7. 21 divided by 7 will give me 3, so my answer is u is equal to 3. So just make sure you combine together your terms, and then you're able to solve for your variable quite easily. All right, keep on doing what you're doing, keep on believing in yourself. You totally got this.